Have you hit a wall with your workouts? Does your usual routine feel boring and ineffective? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience fitness plateaus, those frustrating periods where progress stalls. You put in the effort, but the results just aren't there. Your body craves change, a shakeup to reignite its potential. This essay explores the science behind workout routine changes. We'll delve into why and how switching things up benefits your body and mind. Get ready to discover exciting strategies for breaking through plateaus and achieving new heights of fitness. Prepare to revamp your approach and unlock a world of possibilities. Our bodies are incredibly adaptive machines. When we challenge ourselves physically, our muscles respond by getting stronger and more efficient. This process, known as muscle adaptation, is the foundation of fitness progress. However, this adaptation has its limits. When we repeatedly perform the same exercises, our muscles become accustomed to the demands. They become highly efficient at performing those specific movements. As a result, we stop seeing the same gains in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. This is where the plateau emerges, signaling the need for a change. By introducing new exercises, altering the intensity, or changing the type of workout, we force our muscles to adapt anew. This keeps them guessing, preventing them from settling into a comfort zone. This continuous adaptation is the key to unlocking ongoing progress and achieving new levels of fitness. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to a dynamic and effective fitness routine. By incorporating a diverse range of exercises, we challenge our bodies in new ways, stimulating muscle growth and preventing plateaus. This variety can take many forms, including changing the type of exercise, intensity, duration, and even the environment in which we work out. For example, instead of sticking to the same treadmill routine, try incorporating interval training, where you alternate between high-intensity bursts and periods of rest. Or swap out your usual weightlifting routine for a bodyweight circuit, challenging your muscles in different ways. Explore new activities like swimming, dancing, or rock climbing to engage different muscle groups and enhance overall fitness. The key is to keep your body guessing, preventing it from becoming too accustomed to any single form of exercise. By embracing variety, you'll not only bust through plateaus but also discover new activities you enjoy, making your fitness journey more engaging and rewarding. Fitness experts and trainers unanimously emphasize the importance of varying workout routines. They understand the science behind muscle adaptation and the need for continuous challenges to achieve optimal results. Leading trainers recommend incorporating cross-training, where you engage in different activities throughout the week, targeting various muscle groups and energy systems. Renowned strength and conditioning coach Mike Boyle stresses the importance of periodization. This involves dividing your training into distinct phases, each with specific goals and exercise variations. This systematic approach ensures continuous progress and prevents plateaus by providing consistent but varied challenges. From elite athletes to everyday fitness enthusiasts, experts agree that routine variation is crucial for long-term success. By heeding their advice, we can optimize our workouts, achieve better results, and enjoy a more rewarding fitness journey. Section 5. Real-life transformations, stories of success. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations by embracing workout routine changes. Stories abound of people breaking through plateaus, achieving new fitness goals, and even discovering hidden athletic potential. These real-life examples highlight the power of variety and its impact on both physical and mental well-being. Take, for instance, the story of Sarah, a runner who had hit a plateau in her training. Frustrated by her stagnant progress, she decided to incorporate cross-training, adding swimming and cycling to her routine. The results were, well, astounding. Not only did she break through her running plateau, but she also discovered a newfound love for these new activities, enhancing her overall fitness and enjoyment. These stories of success serve as powerful reminders that change can be incredibly beneficial. By stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing new challenges, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, both in our fitness journeys and in life. Section 6. The brain-boosting benefits. The benefits of changing workout routines extend far beyond physical improvements. Research has shown that varying our exercise regimens can have profound effects on our brains, enhancing cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being. Engaging in new and challenging activities stimulates the growth of new brain cells, improving memory, focus, and creativity. Studies have also shown that exercise, especially varied routines, can be highly effective in combating stress, anxiety, and depression. The release of endorphins during physical activity has mood-boosting effects, while the mental stimulation of trying new things provides a welcome distraction from daily stresses. By incorporating routine variation into our fitness plans, we're not only investing in our physical health but also nurturing our mental and emotional well-being. It's a holistic approach that benefits our bodies and minds in profound ways. Section 7. Designing your dynamic routine, a step-by-step guide. Ready to revamp your workout routine and unlock your fitness potential? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you design a dynamic and effective program. 1. Assess your current routine. Identify areas where you've hit a plateau or feel bored. 2. Set realistic goals. What do you hope to achieve with your new routine? 3. Explore different activities. Research various exercise options that align with your goals and interests. 4. Create a balanced plan. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, flexibility, and other activities you enjoy. 5. Start gradually. Introduce new exercises or routines slowly to avoid overexertion or injury. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to the changes and adjust accordingly. 7. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a fitness expert or trainer for personalized advice and support. By following these steps, you can create a workout routine that is both challenging and enjoyable, setting you on the path to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Section 8. The importance of rest and recovery. While embracing change is crucial for optimal fitness, it's equally important to prioritize rest and recovery. Our bodies need time to repair and rebuild muscle tissue after strenuous workouts. Adequate rest ensures that we can return to our workouts feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle new challenges. Incorporate rest days into your weekly routine, allowing your muscles time to recover. Listen to your body and take extra rest days when needed, especially if you're feeling sore or fatigued. Proper sleep is also essential for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your fitness goals. Remember, rest and recovery are not signs of weakness. They are essential components of a successful fitness journey. By prioritizing rest, we allow our bodies to adapt, grow stronger, and prepare for the next challenge. Section 9. Embrace the change. Unlock your fitness potential. Embracing change is the key to unlocking our full fitness potential. By understanding the science behind muscle adaptation and the power of variety, we can design dynamic and effective workout routines that keep us engaged, motivated, and continuously progressing. Remember, plateaus are not failures. They are signals that our bodies are ready for a new challenge. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone, explore new activities, and challenge yourself in new ways. Embrace the journey of transformation, knowing that change is not only beneficial, but also essential for achieving lasting results. Remember, fitness is not a destination. It's an ongoing journey of discovery, growth, and adaptation. So revamp your routine, embrace the change, and unlock the incredible fitness potential that lies within you. The journey is yours to create, and the possibilities are endless.